This is good. Okay, we've got audio. All right, let's take a look at this. We're on 99%, 295 layers out of 299 layers. This is 0.1 layer height. Printing the Picolino name, badge, cube, Picolino cube-ish. Welcome back to the Magnetic IDEX channel. Let's take a look at what's cooking. Notice we're printing completely without any purge towers or prime towers. It's all done, everything's handled by the bib. I see some plastic built up on the bib and it's doing exactly what it's supposed to. It's the plastic is sticking to the bib and leaving the nozzle clean as it moves in and starts printing the next layer. So instead of trying to have a non-stick seal against the nozzle, we are actually just letting whatever residue come off the nozzle and be picked up by the paper. So I really like these sticky notes to do this job. There's no evidence of charring or anything coming close to any kind of pyrolysis or whatever. This is all really nice and smooth. Let's take a look at this. For the big surprise, for the big reveal, ta-da! This is our Picolino Extruder. Little square. I got some peach fuzz inside. Started with a yellow color and then just changed it on the fly. So without pausing, without doing anything, I just decided to switch to greens for a better contrast. So you can see the resolution on the teeth. This is a 1-to-1 scale actually of the Picolino Extruder gear. Actually, hang on a second. And here we go. This is the laser cut version of that same ring. And if we put that over, that's just about a perfect match. So it is an exact life-size Picolino Extruder gear, and you can see how that looks. Not bad for an FDM print. Again, very impressed with this so far. So that's my little Picolino. One of the more recent updates, I did have to wipe my entire computer. I ran into a glitch where the first tool change, or actually the initial tool, ended up with approximately a 0.6 millimeter shift on the x-axis, and I could not get it out no matter what I tried. It just persisted. I was able to hack it and put in an offset on my initial G-code startup, but that was very hacky and I didn't want to do that long term. I just said do a full wipe and installed a brand new version of Linux Mint. Again, this is my ancient computer, maybe 14, 15, maybe 16 years old now, and it's running the latest version of Linux Mint 22.2, is it? I can't remember. Yeah, we're running 22.2, the latest version of Linux Mint, and I couldn't be happier. Clipper documentation suggests that it's a bad idea to run a full GUI on your control, but so far I've been really happy with it. Everything runs quicker, smoother, cleaner, so I'm happy with it overall. I think I'm just rambling now, so I'm gonna call it quits. Stay tuned. More coming on the Akula 3 motion system. The end of Core XY is near, just so you know. So enough teasing. I'll catch you on the next video. Like, share, subscribe. Bye.